In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your Squarespace website. This straightforward guide will lead you through the steps to make your website accessible to others, whether you're sharing it with collaborators, showcasing it to potential clients, or simply presenting it to friends and family. The process is quick and easy, so let's jump right into it. Start by opening your preferred web browser. I usually recommend using a reliable one like Chrome or Firefox for seamless navigation. Once your browser is open, head over to your search bar and type Squarespace. This will lead you to the homepage of Squarespace, which is where we'll begin our journey. Once you're on the Squarespace homepage, look for the Get Started button. This is usually prominently displayed, guiding new and existing users alike to their account or to set up a new website. Go ahead and click on it. If you already have a Squarespace account, you'll be prompted to log in. For those experiencing Squarespace for the first time, following this path will help you set up your initial site, but today we're focusing on sharing an existing one. After accessing your Squarespace account, navigate to the section where your list of sites is displayed. Find the one you're ready to share. Identify the Edit button, click on it, and dive into the editing mode for your site. Here, Squarespace allows you to make changes, refine details, and experiment with your website's appearance. Near the top right corner, you should see a Preview button. Clicking on Preview provides an ideal way to look at your site as visitors would see it. It's always a good idea to ensure everything looks perfect before you share. Next, to share your site, locate the domain URL that Squarespace provides. Even if you haven't purchased a custom domain, your site already has a built-in URL, which typically looks something like yoursitename.squarespace.com. Copy this URL. It's the key to sharing your hard work with others. With your site URL copied, sharing it couldn't be easier. You simply need to provide this URL to your intended recipients. This could be done through email, text, or even a direct message on social media. Encourage your recipients to paste the URL into their web browser. Once they've entered the URL, they'll be able to view your site exactly as you've designed it. And there you have it. In just a few short steps, your Squarespace website is ready to be shared with the world. Remember, sharing your site in its preview state means it may still have Squarespace branding unless a custom domain is purchased. Giving colleagues, clients, or friends easy viewing access can greatly enhance collaboration and feedback. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has made the process of sharing your Squarespace website clearer and more accessible. Happy sharing!